Another big ass catfish?
Yep. Yeah, chat, we got something. Okay. Okay. Come on, bitch. Hey, come here, because this line's cheap. So help me.
Oh my fuck, I should have.
What happened?
I lost my fucking lure.
How?
It's snapped.
Yeah, he's a big one. Damn, what is this? Hey, I don't know. He's pretty strong.
Ooh, what is that?
It's pretty strong, dude. Hey, hold up though. don't bust it. I'll bring it closer.
I'm not gonna touch the line. We'll pull it out in the last second.
It's going, hold up. I'll bring it this way.
Bring it up. Oh, that's a fat catfish, dog. No, you're gonna have to fight it. Just fight it. Bring it in.
Alright, bet.
Get it to this rock and then.
I get him tired.
Yeah, that's a fat bitch.
It's alright.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
There's rocks everywhere, dog. But nah, get him right here. And you're good.
Come on, bitch. Oh yeah.
Get him right here where I'm at.
Okay, so I'll put him right on. Huh? A cheap ass line? I gotta change it. That's why I told you I need to change it. That's not what I told you. That's what I was asking you.
Thank you, bonus.
I should be able to flip him over here. I got him.
Make sure he don't fucking get off.
Woo! Yeah, chat, we got him.
Alright, you're not